welcome to our channel. Today's video is I'm going to my school. Now let's go.
First day mo sa tutor mo? Behave ikaw ha? Okay?
School.
Ha?
I'm going to school.
Opo, what is that? Your module?
Opo.
Okay, let's go na ha. Love you.
Love you too.
Pag tinanong ni teacher, what is your name? How old are you?
4.
So,
My
let's,
birthday's almost here now.
opo, so let's go na. Yay, teacher. Come on, down na ikaw. Bring your water. Water na. Down. I'll see you later. Go. Over there. Go. Go na. Yan, yung teacher. Hello. Isa pa si hi.
Hello, Ysabelle.
Say hi.
Hi. Hello, let me help you with this. Hello. Oh, hindi naman masyado ah. I am Ate Majoy. What's my name? Ate Majoy. Okay. Am I studying?
Ysabelle.
Sige po.
Balikan kita, ha?
Bye-bye.
Oh, lakad na. Friend ka. Bye. See you later.
Bye-bye po.
Oo. Mabait naman yan.
Mukha nga.
Saka ano, lahat ng tanong mo makasagutin niya. Bye, Ysabelle. Oh, yan na. Nagdaldal na siya.
May sinasabi siya tungkol daw sa playground. Akin na ta.
Chat mo na lang ako, ha? Thank you. See you later, baby.
Say bye-bye to mommy. Bye-bye, mama. Mama. Call her mama. Yeah, okay.
Nakapunta?
Sa school.
Ito, ikaw school mo?
Opo.
Lagay mo sa school mo. May lamok. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our vlog again. So today, kanina kung nakita nyo, yung inatid ko si Ysabelle sa kanyang tutor. First day niya kasi ngayon, ang time niya is 9:30 to 10:30. So, after niyang kumain ng breakfast, pinaliguan ko na siya, tapos inatid ko na siya sa tutor niya. So, mukha namang nag-enjoy si Ysabelle. So, ayan yung picture, oh. Mukhang first day niya, pero mukhang okay naman ng lahat. So, ngayon, nag-text na yung tutor niya at need ko na siyang sunduin. So, sana maganda ang sasabihin ng teacher niya at sana sumunod si Ysabelle. So, nakakatuwa lang kasi si Ysabelle kasi yung batang hindi talaga siya mahirap turuan at pakiusapan. Once na sinabi mo siya, inausap mo siya, so susundin ka niya, basta alam niyang tama. So, ngayon susunduin ko na siya at malalaman natin kung maayos ba yung tutor na nangyari sa kanila. At ngayon guys, sige, mag-drive na muna tayo. Wala akong ng car, kaya yan. Sige, ganyan na lang muna. So, nag-text na yung teacher niya. Need ko na siyang sunduin. Ayan. At alam nyo guys, na-miss ko si Ysabelle. Alam nyo bang na-miss ko si Ysabelle? Kasi hindi ako sanay na nahihiwalay siya sa akin kahit konting oras lang. Kasi lagi kayong magkasama. Kami na lang lagi magkasama. Kasi syempre yung daddy niya nasa barko. So, hindi ako sanay na magkahiwalay kami. So, ngayon sunduin natin siya. Sana maging okay ang first day niya at bumalik pa si Ysabelle. Kasi bukas may tutor ulit siya ng gantong oras. Kasi kaya ako siya pina-tutor kasi syempre gusto ko kasing masanay si Ysabelle sa ibang tao. Kasi pagdating sa akin, ang galing-galing niya talaga. Syempre, gusto ko naman i-practice si Ysabelle na makipagsalamuha sa ibang tao. At syempre, parang hindi na siya matakot. Kasi before, kapag nilalabas ko si Ysabelle sa iba, nakakita siya ng ibang tao, natatakot siya or nahihiya siya. Kaya, pina-tutor ko siya. Alam ko naman yung kakayahan ni Ysabelle kasi super talino naman niya at mabilis naman talaga siya maka-catch up ng mga aralin namin, mga modules. Hindi ako nahihirapan na turuan siya. Yan. Kaya super proud ako kay Ysabelle kasi hindi niya ako pinahirapan. Never niya ako pinahirapan. Nung baby lang, super iyakin siya talaga. Kahit anong gawin ko, iyakin talaga siya. Siyempre, tayong mga mami, gusto natin yung pinaka-the best para sa ating mga anak, diba? Hindi naman porket pina-tutor ko siya, wala akong time or mahina siya. Hindi. Gusto ko lang talaga ma-practice na rin yung pakikipagsalamuha sa ibang tao. At saka may exam siya ngayong March 7 or 8. May mga reviewer, syempre may work din ako na need kong mag-work. Yan. So, nandito na tayo. Ysabelle! Anong ginawa niyo doon?
I just study
Anong study niyo?
written less than that and the song like Elsa.
You see?
The study song like Elsa.
Paano?
The alligator search and short the numbers.
Is
and
it?
greater and less than. And equal.
Greater, less than, and?
Greater than less than and equal.
Talaga?
I
Good.
just trace it with the dots.
You know na how to write greater than, less than, and equal? You see? You never cry? Anong si teacher ba mabait?
Papa,
Mabait siya?
ganda siya.
Oh, naganda siya. Mabait teacher mo yan, naganda. Like you. Sige ka property. Open natin yung price mo.
Hindi, price. Ngamis yan.
Price.
What is
I mean, hay nako, how to explain. Diba you study, then you never cry. This is your price.
price?
I get one Want to open that? Want to drink? No?
I'm going to put it right here.
Enjoy ka today? Tomorrow again?
Okay.
I want to say goodbye to your, channel.
Bye.
Hello everyone! Hello mommy, hello daddy. Ysabelle is going to show you what is greater than, less than, and equal, and how to use it properly using this board and using this stick. Show your sticks. Okay, it shows equal. How about greater than? That is greater than. How about less than? Where's less than? The stick for less than. You show them. Okay. Okay, let's start. The question, Ysabelle, game ka na ba? Game na! Game ka na ba? You say, game na!
Game.
Okay. Okay, the first question is, the first question
Looks
is,
like a fake one.
looks like fake.
Even there's a stick on it.
Yes.
Like a lollipop.
Okay,
stick.
I have here, Ysabelle, 5, 3. What is the right and correct symbol? 5 is greater than, less than, equal.
Greater.
Greater than, very good. Where is the symbol for greater than? Show me. Okay. Greater than? No. Greater than. Ayun. Okay, next. 1 score for Ysabelle. And,
Big yun expensive ko sa laptop.
yes. And how about this one?
Hey, look, when I put this, it looks like yellow na.
It looks like yellow when it comes to video. Oh. How about this one? Okay.
No.
Ysabelle, the next one is 6 and 6. What is the answer? Is it less than, greater than, equal?
Equal.
Very good. It's equal. Show them the proper sign. That is equal. Very good. 2 points for Ysabelle.
I'm the winner.
We don't have winner yet. Okay. How about this one? Okay. Show me your answer. 4 and 8. 4 is greater than, less than, or equal to 8.
Greater.
No, no. What's the answer?
than.
Less than. Very good. Less than. Where is your symbol for less than? Is this less than? Is this less than? Where's the less
I
than?
forgot.
Oh my God,
I
forgot.
forgot.
Correct. It's less than.
The less than is greater than 8.
Yes. Okay. It's 3 points for Ysabelle. Okay. One more. I have here 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Is 7 greater than, less than, or equal to 2? 7.
7 and 2.
7 and 2?
Yes.
Oh, what's the answer?
Greater.
Very good. That's greater than. Okay. Oh, where's the right symbol for greater than? Show them. Very good. 4 points for Ysabelle. Last one. Are you enjoying? You really enjoy the game of Ate Majoy? Okay, last one. What I have here? Oh, I have here 1 and 4. Is 1 greater than, less than, or equal?
Less than.
Less than? Very good. May I see your symbol for less than? Very good. That is less than. Okay, 5 points for Ysabelle. And the winner is
Me.
Ysabelle. Okay. Hope you enjoy our little activity for greater than. Oh, show them the greater than. Where is the greater than? Greater than? Yes, that's greater than. How about less than? Less than symbol. Very good. How about the equal? Okay. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.